What if I told you this tiny robot could think for itself? Sounds impossible? Let's find out. This might look like a simple line-following robot, but what happens when it reaches a dead end? It stops, because it has no decision-making ability. But today, we're changing that. In our last project, we built a robot that followed a fixed path. Now, we're stepping up the challenge. Can we create a robot that solves a maze on its own? Maze solving isn't just a fun experiment, it's used in autonomous vehicles, rescue missions, and even warehouse robots. But how do we make it work? There are different maze solving strategies. The left-hand rule, where the robot follows the left wall. The flood-fill algorithm, which finds the shortest path. But which one works best? Before I reveal the answer, take a guess and drop it in the comments. Now, let's build it. We'll need Arduino, motor driver, IR sensors, smart programming. Here's how it all comes together. Assembling the hardware, programming the logic, testing it in a real maze. Watch closely as our robot makes decisions, takes turns, and corrects itself when needed. So, was your guess correct? The left-hand rule helps the robot escape, but the flood-fill algorithm finds the shortest path. Which method would you use in a real-world scenario? Let me know. Next, should we build an AI-powered robot or an obstacle-avoiding bot? Comment your choice. And if you love robotics, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing projects. Rocket!